Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for the TouchIT Rapide interactive flat panel. In this tutorial, we will look at the basic use of the WhiteBoard application. The WhiteBoard application is designed to give you quick access to a pen in order to annotate over any application that is running on the LED from any input source. Please note, this is not designed to be a replacement for a full annotation application, like Contribute Cloud. To access the pen tool, swipe up from the bottom of the LED and select the pen. Now you are able to annotate on the screen. Press the pen tool again and you are able to change the pen color and also the line thickness. You are able to make several pages of annotations by using the pagination tool found here. Simply click on the plus icon to add a new page. Use the arrows to navigate back through your annotations. You are able to save your annotations by clicking on the save icon. You can save them either as a JPEG or as a PDF. In order to return to mouse control of your Rapide LED, so you are not annotating, you must exit the annotation app. Click on the exit icon and choose OK. Thanks for watching!